Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn that how many types of power sources for a telecom sites. It is just an overview of power sources that are used in a telecom sites. Selection and number of power sources for a particular telecom site is generally depends on site power design, geographical location and severity of a site in a network. So let's start. Here are five types of power sources used in a telecom site. These sources can be differ from country to country. So these types are: number one is commercial power, number two battery banks, number three UPS, number four generators, number five solar panels. Stages. To ensure 100% availability of power to a site, multiple sources are used. These sources works in a stage. When one stage of power source is filled, then next stage is takeover. So these stages are mainly classified as main, number one, number two is standby, and number three is temporary connection. So number one is main. It is a basically primary power source, for example, commercial power. Number two is standby. Main power failure, standby power takeover, for example, battery banks acts as a standby in a site. And number three is temporary connection. Portable generator is mostly used until to restore main power. So let's see its types. So number one is commercial power. It is also called national grid power of a country. Sites which are located in an urban areas or anywhere in a country where national grid power is available, mostly it is used as a main power source to a telecom site. Number two is battery banks. Battery banks, battery strings or power plants are same thing. So different types of battery banks or power strings are used according to site requirement. Mostly battery banks are used as a standby power source to a telecom site. Number three is UPS. UPS is mostly used in data centers, exchanges, base station controllers. Size and capacity of UPS is also depends on site requirement. Number four is generators. There are two types of generators: fixed and portable. Fixed generators are permanently available on a site, while portable generator is used for temporary connection to a site. So here you can see two types of generators. Number one is permanent generator and number two is portable generator. Number five is solar panels. Nowadays, solar panels are also used on a telecom sites. Sites where national power is not available are the sites which are located in a desert mostly use solar panels. So thanks for watching complete video.